Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this POCO. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gbird. Finally, select Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!